Alright, so this is one of the tricks of this, putting this thing back in here. Try to get it hung first and then we move on. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get it off in there. Oop, drop one. It's not that heavy, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue getting it hung, man. Alright. Now, we want to get all the bolts in it. And we want to get all the bolts in it pretty straight so that we don't have any issues leaking or with the overall fit of this thing here. I need that. Let me get my extension. Need an extra hand. Sometimes this is the best way to do it. Stick a socket on it. Needs a little bit more torquing force. Alright. Now, I'm going to take it at this point, right, to fit all my other bolts in there. Alright. So that make sure everything is lined up and I'm not pinching that gasket. As you see, it's still pretty. It's still pretty much got some room to, you know. Alright, I've got one done right there. So give me a minute.